Hey, this is Pat with Rugged Ridge. Wanted to introduce you to the new Snorkel for the JL and the JT Gladiator. This is an all bolt-on snorkel, simple install. It's a modular set, so you can run this in the high ram portion that you see here, but this high ram is also removable, so you can run it in the low mount portion, giving you that natural cold air intake, but it gives you the versatility of the different looks and functions that you might want. Because it's all bolt-on and you have these dual pieces, you don't have to have a separate hood. You don't need to drill holes in your vehicle. This is a great product if you're looking for a way to get your air intake up and away from the water, but not change the aesthetic of your vehicle too radically. Nice thing is, with simply 4 bolts, you can swap between the two. The full kits come with both mounts. The installation on this is less than an hour. It does not alter the air intake, so you also don't have any issues with voiding any warranties. So whether you're having this installed by a dealer or by a jobber, this installation's clean and quick, but it's also going to keep your vehicle running at top pace without voiding any factory warranties you might be working